Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're listing more items on OfferUp, and we just got another sale. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the items that I listed on OfferUp today. So these are the items that I listed. It's the summer, so people need their water phone case. So I bought these on Amazon for $13. It brought three, and I'm listing them on OfferUp for $10. So here's the thing, right? I know they have it for cheaper on Amazon, but let's say you need to go to the pool this weekend and you cannot order something and you need it ASAP. You can just go into OfferUp, and because you're like you really need it, you pay anything for it. So you pay $10. And mind you, some people do sell these for $10 and people buy them. But you put them on OfferUp and people can purchase it from you because they can meet up with you. So I posted these, and within an hour someone hit me up and they were they were interested in buying it for $10. They wanted the blue one. And then last minute, it was only 8 minutes away from here driving, and last minute they were like, oh, do you accept coins? They wanted to pay me $10 in coins. So I was like, no, I'm sorry. And then that person was like, I'll do anything for it, and started saying inappropriate things. So I had to report that person, and I also had to block them. So whenever you guys are meeting with people in person, just be very careful. Pick a common area. I was gonna make the mistake to go to this person building. Probably they were gonna be like, come upstairs. It was a setup. This person was talking to me like I'll do anything for it, and they were talking inappropriate, So I had to report them and I had to block them. So lesson learned. Don't don't see anyone like at their house, at their building. Meet up in a public place, and I'm gonna start being so nice. I'm gonna stop saying, yeah, I'll go and I'll meet with you guys. No, they need to come see me in order to make a sale. So this is the number one item we listed on OfferUp. Then we also listed this item. It's a water bottle slash phone case for the gym. Does not fit my phone in there, so I'm just selling it. This is actually something that I got for Christmas on my job. And I also got these hats, right? Winter hats. I know it's not winter, but I'm listing them now, and I'm listing this for $20. This for $10. These each for $10. I also listed a barrel, a liquor barrel. I'm gonna show you guys real quick because I have good news with this item. Probably I'll buy more depending on how much is it, because I sold it within an hour. So I was so hyped. I already wrapped it up. It's here, wrapped up. So like always, guys, this is what I use to wrap up my items. I use this gift wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, and I put this around the box so it doesn't move. But let me show you exactly what is it that I sold, so that you guys know. But it's a liquor barrel. They also call it a tequila barrel, and it was new. It was new. It was never used. It was just open box. I listed it for $20, and someone offered me 15. So I took it for 15, and tomorrow I'll ship it. All I have to do is print the label, tape it right here, and then that's it. Drop it off at the post office, and out of the $15, I'm only gonna get 13. But I was just bored home, and I decided to list it. Probably I got robbed. I don't know. Probably I got robbed because I've seen it here for like $36. Holy shit! Don't tell me I got robbed. 108. Holy shit, this shit is crazy. I think I might have got robbed. But this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is the item that I sold for $15, you know? This is it. Damn, now I feel bad about selling this. This is what I sold. It's going for $49 and I sold it for 15. Damn, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is really crazy. Well, let me see on Alibaba for how much they have it. To see if I can get like a shipment of that. I think because it's wood, it's so really. Wow, this thing sells for much more. It sells for $12 on AliExpress. Wow. I might have gotten robbed. Oh, this is exactly the one I sold. Yep, this is exactly the one I sold. They have it for $465 and the minimum unit is 300. That's the minimum units. But this is exactly the one I sold. I sold it for 15. Okay, so that's the video for today, guys. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on more items that I'm gonna be listing on OfferUp, more items that I'm gonna be selling, and let's try to get this money online. All summer 2019, this is what I'm doing. I'm selling online, trying different items and trying to see what works. Right now I'm just going around my house and listing things that I no longer want. So guys, if you want more videos like this on how to make money online and how to make money with different side hustles and things like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like that video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if there's any items that you guys want me to sell, let me know so I can go hunt it down, go to garage sales, thrift store, and try to get those items and sell them. And I'm gonna try to see if those items sell. I'm gonna test it out for you guys so that you guys can know what works and what doesn't work, and I'm gonna help you guys out. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.